Yeah, hello guys. So I just got the Nokia 106 4G phone. So let's check it out and see its features. So I know you've seen this phone everywhere on the media, even in real life. You've seen it supermarkets, individuals everywhere. Most people use it as their second phone, maybe for calls, for business transactions. Like most of them are used by the Momo vendors. Go to supermarket, this is the phone they use for their transactions and all of that. So I just decided to show it to you guys. So maybe in case you need some, I'll just give you 3 or 4 reasons why you need to get some. Yeah, so this device can last up to 21.9 days, whether talk time or standby mode. It has 1.8 inches display with dual SIM and 4G network. It also has games like Snake Zenzi and the normal games that you find on these phones. So let's unbox the device and check whatever we get in the box. Yeah, so after opening the box, you see the main phone first here. So this is the phone in this rubber. So let's check it out and see how it looks. It looks clean as expected, fresh in box and all of that with the 1.8 inch screen size and display. Nothing, we have Nokia boldly written at the back. Most of them they claim Nokia, but if you open the phone, the back there's no Nokia or any logo at the back. So make sure you check that it has touch. I think it uses Type-C or brush, but we are going to find out from the charging port here. So this is the charger. Also, as you can see, I think it's a brush type. It comes with a good charger for you to charge your phone and all of this. Also Nokia certified and all of that. Yeah, so nothing much, or let's say not like too much expectation from these phones for basic calls, text messages, and for me, like the best use is for this Momo or maybe financial services, just to make sure that phone is there for that purpose and you are good to go. And this is also the battery that came with the phone. It comes with battery and everything, so make sure you read the manual if you are finding difficult in maybe doing calls or when using the phone. So let me know if you are interested in stuff like this. Goodbye, and I'll see you again in the next video.